my previous videos, I haven't done any or very much on-camera stuff, but I wanted to try something different to kind of let you know how I came to this idea. Let me know in the comments if you like this style, if you prefer just the video, just so that I can get some feedback, but I'm gonna try this. It's all about trying to get comfortable with the camera, they say. How you doing? Come here often? This is the kind of tomfoolery that happens when I'm on camera. So I needed a way to store wrenches and things, you know, with circles in them. So I was trying to think of a way that you could have a closed loop system, if that word makes sense, but still be able to get things up and not have to, because if you have something on like just a single rod sticking up, then you have to pull all the other ones off or out to get the one you want. So I thought there's got to be a way so you can make it open in the middle. So I started looking at my keys. There was this style which can screw open. You still have to sit and spin it open. So then I thought, okay, what about a carabiner? I loved the idea of the mechanism of a carabiner. Here's the thing about carabiners, they're so nice because you just go slap them on. That's the genius part of their design, is just that clipping on. And so I thought I could probably do the same thing with a bar. Kind of modeled this after a carabiner, so that is the inspiration behind this. So this is how I actually went about making it. something you could definitely make yourself at home. There's a lot of different options that you could do if you don't have the tools that I was using in the video. If you have any questions about more... So if you'd like to build one of these for yourself in your own shop, you can ask me in the comments, or you can also follow me on Instagram at @amini. So please consider subscribing. Your support means a whole lot. I'm incredibly grateful for everybody, all the good positive comments and good vibes. So thank you. Thank you so much. If you know somebody that needs one of these in their shop, share this with them. Maybe they'll make one. Maybe they'll make you one.